Discover 6 ingenious ways to effortlessly rake in cash online from any corner of the world, all while avoiding the burdensome task of doing the actual work yourself. Brace yourself as I unveil these 6 remarkable methods that will revolutionize your approach to generating passive income. Prepare to embark on a journey with me, as the first avenue to effortless earnings involves a little-known website called likeforlike.org. This digital haven allows you to engage with social media content and exchange these interactions with fellow users. Picture this: by simply liking Instagram or Facebook posts, you accrue valuable credits that can later be swapped for engagement on your own social media accounts. Now, here's the secret sauce. Installing a Like for Like bot automates the process, empowering you to amass credits without lifting a finger. Imagine reaping the benefits of social media growth without exerting any effort. To top it off, you can even sell these booming accounts on platforms like FameSwap, pocketing significant sums for your digital prowess. But wait, there's more. The second lazy yet lucrative pathway to passive income involves harnessing the power of affiliate marketing and leveraging platforms such as YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. Take a gander at my recent achievements. Within the last 7 days alone, I've banked a cool $30,000, and in the last month, a staggering $23,000 through affiliations. Here's the game changer: a platform like clickandshort.com enables you to transform lengthy YouTube videos into captivating shorts at the mere push of a button. Once armed with these bite-sized wonders, unleash them across social media platforms, funneling the resulting traffic towards affiliate offers. The possibilities are endless, my friend. Now, let me divulge the third entrancing method to effortlessly pad your wallet. Feast your eyes upon a video that has single-handedly netted me $26,000 in ad revenue. And the magic doesn't end there. It continues to churn out profits like clockwork, even after 2 years. The best part? You don't need to grace the screen with your presence or spend countless hours scripting. Enter the realm of AI-powered tools like Scriptai.com, which conjures professional-grade YouTube scripts with the touch of a button. Need a captivating voiceover? Fear not, for tools like 11labs.io can infuse your script with a lifelike voice that rivals human narration. No worries about monetization either, as you can secure approval through the partner program before employing these AI wonders. Trust me, I've been seamlessly monetizing AI-driven channels for months now, all without a hitch. That's not all. Introducing option number 4. A lazy yet ingenious means to generate passive income. Tap into freelancing platforms like peopleperhour.com, where individuals willingly shell out $40 for someone to proofread and polish their texts. Little do they know, you possess an AI-powered secret weapon called ChatGPT. This remarkable AI marvel excels at grammar checks, proofreading, and editing, completing tasks in a matter of seconds. Picture the astonished faces of your clients when you deliver impeccable results swiftly and at a fraction of the cost. The best part? It's as simple as pressing a button, effortlessly streamlining your workflow. But wait, my friend, there's a delightful bonus to explore: the fifth avenue to effortless earnings lies in the realm of transcription jobs. Platforms like rev.com/freelancers beckon, promising flexible hours and weekly payments for transcribing audio files or podcasts. Clients willingly part with 30 cents to $1 per minute of audio, seeking the conversion of spoken words into written text. Here's where you have the upper hand. AI tools like aithmic.com outshine human efforts, swiftly and accurately transcribing audio files. And for those finishing touches, run the transcript through ChatGPT to eliminate any lingering mistakes. This impeccable AI combo empowers you to exceed client expectations, earning a handsome income for minimal effort. Plus, outsourcing the transcription workload to AI tools that cost a mere $10 per month ensures maximum profitability for your ventures. Last but not least, unleash the power of another freelancing platform like Fiverr. Brace yourself for the influx of podcast owners desperate for editing services, willing to pay $40 to polish up to 60 minutes of audio content. Little do they know, you possess an AI marvel called Clean Voice AI, capable of editing podcasts with unmatched speed and precision. With this one-click wonder at your disposal, you can complete projects in minutes, leaving your competitors in the dust. The result? An influx of sales and increased earnings, all achieved with minimal effort and maximum efficiency. Now that you've tasted the sweet nectar of these 6.5 incredible online money-making methods, let me share a valuable resource for further enlightenment. Visit onlinebusinessacademy.com, a treasure trove of knowledge where industry experts from various niches offer lessons on building online businesses, mastering social media marketing, drop servicing, drop shipping, YouTube automation, and much more. Enhance your entrepreneurial acumen, attend live masterminds, and connect with like-minded individuals from across the globe. The possibilities are boundless when you embrace the exciting world of online business. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Click the links in the description box, or head over to onlinebusinessacademy.com to witness the transformational power of online entrepreneurship. Your financial future awaits.